a partnership built on quality and service. Together, Chugoku Marine Paints and Davies Paints have forged a connection that has stayed strong for over 30 years. Since 1989, Chugoku Marine Paints, a leading paint brand in Asia and all over the globe, has entrusted Davies Paints to carry their name from manufacturing to sales to distribution. With a reputation of world-class excellence and quality in the Philippines and beyond, Davies Paints carries the distinction of being the only licensed partner of Chugoku Marine Paints. Our shared values are the driving force behind our successful partnership and products. Through continuous innovation, we deliver top-quality products and paint technologies that are on par with global standards. This lets Chugoku create value in every product to give every customer maximum benefits for minimum cost. Guided by a principle of sustainability in practice for the benefit of both the environment and the community. All in service to our customers and our community. The Chugoku product line ranges from marine paints for maritime vessels and infrastructure and heavy-duty coating for industrial projects. Each product benefits from the innovative BioClean ecosystem developed by Chugoku, a high-performance release coating system with a strong, stable film structure, enhanced with anti-corrosive technology and anti-fouling technology that does not pollute the marine environment. This makes Chugoku paint range the top choice for large-scale projects all over the country. From the Juanico Bridge that connects Samar and Leyte to the ever-busy Ninoy Aquino National Airport Terminals 3, Pagbilao Power Plant in Quezon Province, to North Luzon Expressway from Manila to Central Luzon, from MV Salvia Island, a bulk carrier built in Chuneshi Heavy Industry in Balamban, Cebu, and many more maritime projects. This dynamic partnership between Chugoku Marine Paints and Davies Paints has been instrumental in letting us enrich the everyday landscape of the country. We celebrate this lasting connection and look forward to more years as the #1 in marine paint in the Philippines.